that smells so good. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful and lovely day. I have something here that I'm really looking forward to opening. It's a subscription box. It's something that my sister actually subscribes to and she has nothing but good things to say about it. So here I am with it today. We're gonna be unboxing the Fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. And ooh, I'm super excited. This is actually my first time getting the subscription box, so I'm looking forward to what's going to be inside of it. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a seasonal subscription you get. So you get it 4 glorious times a year, and it's $49.99 US, and it's about $70 Canadian. It comes with full size products, which is really nice. Not sample like size, like full size. And it comes in a variety of beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle. So it doesn't focus on just one thing, it focuses on a variety of things, which I really like. Something I found really cool about this box was that you get to customize some of your selection. You get to pick a few of your items that you get in this box. And you get to choose from like 3 different items. So that's kind of cool. And then they just, surprise you with the rest of it. I'm really looking forward to what's in this super pretty box. It's really pretty, little cacti everywhere. It's very colorful. It really grabs your attention. Okay, let's get into this. It's really pretty on the outside. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. And we got the catalog. We also got a little $50 gift card for a fresh food delivery company called HelloFresh. But where I live, you can't actually use this service, so it's like, thank you for the gift, but I can't use this. Anyways, so let's see what our first thing is. Ooh. First, I have some measuring spoons from, I think it's pronounced Gadazi. I could be wrong though, so forgive me if I butchered the names of these products. This spring, Gita brings her Italian flair to Fabfitfun with a set of copper-plated measuring spoons from her new lifestyle platform, Gadazi. Spoon up one of Gadazi's recipe and okay, let's open this. They're really heavy and I like that. Yeah, those are really pretty. I really like these. I'm really excited to bake with these. They seem really well made. Like they don't seem cheap. Like I'm just kind of doing the bend test and they're not giving. So that's really nice. I think I give them my stamp of approval. The next thing is Wild Rose Vitamin Brightening Sleeping Facial. Ooh, yeah, I do remember this. I did pick this one, so I'm really excited to use this. Nice little container. 1.35 fluid ounces. That's not too bad. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells so good. That just smells so good. I am looking forward to using this tonight. It's nice and thick. Like, it smells like roses, obviously, because it's wild rose, but it's not that overpowering rose smell that's kind of like, ooh, fake roses. Ugh. This is a really soft, delicate rose smell. It just kind of tickles your nose, and I really enjoy that. I definitely approve of this. Okay, I think this company is pronounced Quay. I'm not too sure. So it's a leave-in conditioner, which I am definitely in need of. I have naturally, not like dark brown hair, but it's like a dirty blonde, darker dirty blonde kind of color, and I bleach it. It really doesn't like it. I think this is going to be very helpful in the future. So let's see what it says. A multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Ooh. Sounds pretty good. And there is 4.7 fluid ounces, so that's not too bad. Next, we have, it's called Needles No More, No More Baggage. And it visibly reduces the look of under-eye bags and dark circles. This is my lifesaver. I have hereditary, bags, so it doesn't matter how much sleep I get. I can get all the sleep I want, and my bags do not go away. These type of gels and creams are a lifesaver, so I'm definitely going to be using this. It's from a brand called Dr. Brandit. 0.5 ounces. Cool. Next we have, this is from a company called Manakadar, I do believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's a champagne charcoal scrub. Ooh. Exfoliates dead skin, hydrates your skin with a gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells. Bubbles anyone. Champagne charcoal scrub is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Ooh, let's see what it smells like. Smells like, I want to say candy. The first thing I think when I smell this is like a Jolly Rancher or something. Maybe orange candy. Maybe that's what I'm picking up. That's super thick too, and you get quite a lot in this actually. 18.34 ounces. That's a lot actually. I'm really looking forward to using this. Very nice. Next we have a Daily Concept. It's from a company called Daily Concepts, and it's a daily detox massaging brush. 100% natural bristles, and it's marked under vigorous. Ideal for smoothing and softening skin. Stimulates circulation plus detox skin. That's really cool. Let's see. You know it goes without saying that your detox brush will be your new BFF for your daily skincare routines. Dry or wet, scrub and repeat. Partners well with your favorite scrub or wash. Stands alone for dry brushing. Let's see. That's really nice. It has a nice handle. That's really well made. It has like little rubber tips in it. I can definitely tell that these are natural bristles. I'm looking forward to this. This is super nice. I think this is actually one of my favorite things so far. Okay, I'm really looking forward to this. It is, I am sorry because I know I'm about to butcher this name, Siet Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And it's a loose, translucent setting powder. Nice box. Apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off excess for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Lightly dust all prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. I actually don't have setting powder. I've been wanting to get some for a while, but I just never found any. Like whenever I go to the stores, I just don't find it, so I just haven't gotten it. So when I saw this was an option you could pick, I was like, yes! I really like the case it comes in. You got a little bow. It has like little stars and stuff around it. Ooh, I'm gonna use this tomorrow when I do my makeup. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I picked this, like this is the third item I picked. I just wasn't expecting the fabric it's made from. It's a little like canvas backpack. So you got the straps on the little front. That's really cute. It's different. It has a pocket. Let's see, just one pocket? Yeah, it only has one pocket, but that's okay. Oh, that's really cute. I really like that. It seems pretty well made. I don't see a company. Oh, I think it's called Dexlux. The straps, I will say, seem a little thin. I wish they were a little thicker. It'd make me feel a little bit more comfortable putting things in it. I think that's really the only complaint I have about this. Everything, like, it's well stitched and everything from what I can tell. So that was everything in my Fabfitfun box. That was a really good box. I'm quite pleased with the full-sized items. I'm pleased with the quality of everything. I'm definitely looking forward to what the summer Fabfitfun for 2019 is going to look like. We have the catalog to go through. I want to go through this to look at the other things you could have gotten in the box, and I also want to look up all the prices of what the products were. I want to tally up what the whole value of my box is, so let's do that. Okay, so the first item you could have gotten is either the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe, or you also could have gotten a Unplug Meditation Aromatherapy diffuser, or the Dexlux Demi backpack, which I got. The robe would have been $84. My backpack is valued at $75. And the aromatherapy thing would have been $55. The next thing that you could have gotten in your box are Quay Australia sunglasses. Those were $55. There's a Quay Australia they're called Vivian sunglasses. After the sunglasses, you could have gotten a Sunny Life Lovers picnic set in Malibu, so everything to have a picnic, and that value was $30. And my face cream's value was $48. You could have gotten the copper plated measuring spoons, and those were $15. Or you could have gotten La Vito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot, which was $19, or a mystery item. And then the other items you could have picked are the Two Bandits Athene's necklace, and that was $30. The Siete London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, which was $22. And Sippin' by Swell, a water bottle, for $20. The next items that they picked from is a Tula Purifying Face Cleanser for $28. The Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, which I got, for $18. Or the 11 by Venus Jump Rope for $15. The items that everybody got were the Quay Leave-In Conditioner for $26. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. That's a mouthful. Whoa. For $42. And the Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub for $28. So yeah, that's everything that you could have gotten in this. So let's add up the prices to see how much my box is valued at. Okay, so $75, $48, $15, $22, $18, $26, $42, $24, woo! And so our total is, for this box, $270. I have no complaints about that. That's pretty awesome. I am so impressed. I feel very comfortable, you know, having spent my money on that. I don't feel ripped off. I don't feel like I got gypped in any way. For my first time ever getting this box, I really have no complaints. Everything was really nice. You know, the only, I guess, complaint I have was the straps on the backpack are a little thin. I am very pleased with this. I'm really excited to see what the next summer seasonal box has. That was a lot of fun. So let me know what you guys all think of the Fabfitfun Spring 2019 box. I'd love to hear your comments down below. That would be really awesome. Please go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me, and I appreciate all the support. I really do. It's like, you have my appreciation to the moon and back. And if you liked this video, leave a like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be posting on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Keep an eye out for all those videos coming your way. And hey, if you want to watch more of my videos, you can click right there and it will bring you right to a new one. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this. I will see you all next time. Bye everybody. Bye.